So, Wick got a hardware kit.
There's half the washer.
Oh, the old shattered washer?
Mm-hmm.
I found like a quarter of one in a pocket of a pair of pants when I took it out of the wash.
There's the other half. Yeah.
I was like, glad we don't need that anymore.
So I hope this washer doesn't shatter because it appears to also be cast. I guess it'd be expensive to make this thing out of.
And then machine it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. Yeah, so you got that kit from where? Inline tube?
Mm-hmm.
Good old inline tube. They're always kind of a winner when it comes to this type of crap.
They sure are. Right, there's another piece of washer.
So, Wick jokingly says these are $150 a piece.
Yeah.
Because the only way to get them is in a $300 kit.
If they work.
If they work, it's worth every cent.
Let's see how this will...
So Wick's got that.
The bolt looks the same. This is the longer square shoulder on it.
But the length is right.
Bushing seems good. I have to figure out where the spring washer goes. Let's just see if everything fits. Bushing fits, that's pretty nice. That's the key piece right there.
That's the one.
That bad boy, and the serrations look to be perfect. Yes, they do. It's kind of interesting. The serrations on here are a little bit skanky from probably where the old one was sliding against them.
Oh, they're a little rough, a little weathered. It's hard to get in there.
Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, yeah, a little bit.
In there.
Ah, there they are.
Not too bad. I think it'll be fine.
It's gonna live.
But all right, now let's put this bolt through.
Wick's magical assembly tail.
Yeah, this looks pretty perfect actually. And then just put this through if I can do it without dropping it down in the bowels of the quarter panel. Come on, baby. So it's kind of cool the way they did this. You know, the original, yeah, this is going to work just great.
Yay!
So now all I want to do is figure out where that little spring washer goes.
On the back
But
side of the
yeah, this is going to work out well. You know, the original.
Trying to see. Ah.
Sorry, let me get my hand out of the way.
Oh no, it's hard for me to even get in there. Oh, look at that.
So it fits. You can see that this that wants to desperately fall down into a place I'll never find it again.
Please don't.
Fits perfectly. It's the shoulders almost flush with the outside of that washer. Our serrated washer. Our bushing fits in nice and tight.
Bingo!
Which I'm holding on to because it too wants to drop in the bowels. So it's kind of cool about this setup that I like better than the way it was, the factory way, is you'll notice this old bolt is squared at the head only for maybe a 1/4 inch.
Like a standard carriage bolt.
Mm-hmm. This one is, instead of being squared, it's notched, or it's boxed, I don't know what you call that.
Almost like an ovalized.
Mm-hmm. To fit the
new Chingadera.
the slot there, and then this fits on there and stays indexed with these serrations in the right spot. The way the old one was, which is one of the 3 pieces I think that just fell down in the quarter panel,
It has the little tab.
it was round, but it had a little tab on there that kept it aligned with the slotted hole. This is, I think, a better design, and let's only hope this is a better casting, because what happens, obviously, with these, when they get tightened down, they shatter. So you can tell we broke that one off at some point.
That one's fresh.
That's actually part of the bushing, this old bushing. And then this was the $150 washer right there.
Yep.
All this other stuff pretty easy to find. I mean, I guess this bushing is probably a little customized, but I doubt that's really terribly difficult to find, and we certainly could make that easy enough. But yeah, so I think we're good.
All right. Happy Wick.
Yeah. Stoked. Now I just got to see where that spring washer goes.